Okay, so we're back on the bench. We did the flash mod and everything's working. But before we close it up, we're going to add weight to it to match the original factory weight.
Time to weigh this puppy down.
So the stock iPod without the case was 138 grams, 0.3 pounds, 138 grams, 4.8 ounces. So the iPod after being flash modded, you've got 122 grams. So you need to make up about 16 grams. So to do that, and this is another reason why using the quad and the big battery
is good,
because we're going to utilize this freed up space. So when I fold the iPod back over, the headphone jack sits right here. From here over, all this space is empty space that we're going to use to put weight in. And we're going to use nickels and dimes. Turns out that a nickel fits there and a dime fits there. And I know from experience that you can go too high on each one. So if we can put 2 nickels and 2 dimes, we get about 16 grams. 16.
It's pretty perfect.
You don't want to go higher than that because when you close it back together, it's going to push on the back of the screen and it'll look like a bulging battery or something. You'll see little shimmering spots. So what we're going to do is we're going to first wrap each stack of coins with the heat tape. And I'll do that, but I'll speed it up. Now, you don't need a ton because you don't want to add thickness. You just want enough to cover all the metal. So we're just going to go around like just once like that, you know, and then rotate. Do another wrap. Cover all the metal, smooth it down really well, and that's going to sit right about there. Now we're going to do the dimes. Alright, you're all wrapped and you're all smoothed out. That's going to sit like right there. Yeah, so really it's the iFlash that, you know, is your lower boundary. So since the iFlash is cut right here, you can bring the nickels down to where they're kind of touching. So you've kind of got this angle here going on. Be enough room for the hold switch. So now we're just going to tape them down. So it helps to pre-cut strips of the tape. So I'm going to do that now.
Pre-cut a bunch of strips.
Do the nickels first. This tape's pretty strong, so
don't worry about it.
It'll stay. Flip the battery and the hard drive down, and it helps to start here and hold it down and get a tool and get it up real close to the coins before you fold them up over the top. And just go around in like a sun pattern. You know, if you're good, you can get one right up. Get one right up in this corner here. And you can see like it's not going anywhere. Alright, cut some more strips and do the dimes. Alright, so they're gonna sit right against the nickels. So you can start by just taping it right to the nickels. Alright, hold her back up and then we'll check here. Should get, there you go, 136, you know, 2 grams. He won't really know.
You won't really notice.
So
there you go.
now don't expect like an immaculate fit if you're reusing your backplate.
Ready to rip.
Boom.
Loving it.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe. Subscribe.